Agriculture is at the heart of Nebraska's economic engine, which is why UNL works to study ways to boost the ag bioeconomy, with half of its research expenditures focused on projects related to farming and natural resources. The Dean of Ag Research Division, Derek McLean, joins us now with the latest. Derek, I appreciate you being here. I know your team very busy there. Can you share some of the exciting research that you're working on there at Nebraska?
Well, thanks for having me on this morning. It's really a pleasure. When I think about what we're doing, I think about what we've hosted and what we've been doing over the summer and into the fall. We hosted the International Plant Lipid Symposium and then also the International Camelina Conference, and both of those are linked to the bioeconomy as far as the ability to make sustainable aviation fuel. We also just last week hosted the International Plant Phenotyping Symposium, and that's also about understanding how plants respond to the environment and basically biotic and abiotic or weather stressors in addition to pests. More locally, we hosted the Sustainable Ranching Tour at our Barter Brothers Research Facility up in the Sandhills. And this week we have our Beef Innovation Hub meeting. It's gathering of a lot of our stakeholders. So we're just, hotspot. Everyone is recognizing and the world is coming to Nebraska because we are a hotspot in ag and natural resources research.
Absolutely. Derek, maybe speak a little bit more about what you mean when you're saying bioeconomy and how does UNL's work contribute to that?
That's a great question. The bioeconomy is just really now, a hot topic, and we're all looking at ways in which we can help contribute to a growing economy in the state of Nebraska, and research is key. We really want to develop these new avenues and these new opportunities for Nebraskans, and some of those different ways is what I referred to as far as, new uses for plants, biomanufacturing, bioresources. How can we contribute in different ways? So our scientists are thinking innovatively, they're thinking ahead, they're thinking into the future about what we can do. In addition, we're doing interdisciplinary and multidisciplinary research where we're bringing plant scientists together with engineers, with computer scientists to have a better understanding of how all these things fit together, because that's really an accelerant for the opportunity to do research and make new discoveries for these challenges that we have.
I was going to ask you if you could speak a little bit more about the opportunities for UNL in the bioeconomy sector. I mean, it feels like the sky's the limit.
Absolutely, the sky is the limit. And when we talk about sustainable aviation fuel, that's an opportunity for some of our plant-based resources and using the feedstocks. We're a leader in growth in the plant economy, so there's an opportunity. Likewise, we also have an amazing beef industry. That's also an opportunity to grow. But when I think about what's innovative, what are areas to grow, what we really need to do is have a solid foundation for what we're doing right now. And we're developing, for example, using AI to develop digital twins to be able to understand, for example, what our water resources are like, how this shift in the bioeconomy. Agriculture built Nebraska. We want to keep it growing, and sometimes to keep it growing, we have to embrace opportunities and embrace change. So that's where we're thinking and how we're thinking and looking into the future.
Thank you so much. Boy, amazing research being done there. Appreciate you taking the time. Obviously, you are very busy. Director of the Nebraska State Experiment Station, Derek McLean.